Welcome. Today we are mastering absolute value equations. Specifically, we are focusing on the most critical first step, isolation. Before you can solve anything, you must get that absolute value expression completely alone. First, a quick refresher. Absolute value is simply the distance a number is from zero. Since it represents distance, the result of an absolute value is always positive or zero. For example, if the absolute value of x is 3, x could be 3 or negative 3. Here is an equation. 3 times the absolute value of x minus 2 plus 4 equals 19. Many beginners try to split this into two cases immediately. Do not do that. You cannot split the equation until the absolute value part is completely by itself on one side of the equal sign. Our strategy has 3 logical steps. First, isolate. Treat the absolute value bars like a single variable. Move everything else to the other side. Second, check. If the absolute value equals a negative number, stop there. It is impossible. Third, split. Once isolated and checked, you create your 2 separate equations to solve. Let's solve the example. We have a plus 4 on the left side that is cluttering things up. Just like standard algebra, we subtract 4 from both sides to cancel it out. 19 minus 4 gives us 15. Now we have 3 times the absolute value equals 15. We are not done isolating yet. There is a 3 multiplied in front. To get rid of it, we divide both sides by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now, look at the result. The absolute value of x minus 2 is all alone on the left. This is exactly what we want. Now that it is isolated and equals a positive 5, we can split it. Case 1, x minus 2 equals 5. Case 2, x minus 2 equals negative 5. Solving these simple equations gives us our 2 answers, x equals 7 and x equals negative 3. Let's look at a trickier one. Negative 2 times the absolute value of x plus 1 equals 10. Remember the rule, isolate first. We need to remove that negative 2 multiplier. So, we divide both sides by negative 2. 10 divided by negative 2 is negative 5. So we have the absolute value of x plus 1 equals negative 5. Wait, absolute value represents distance. Distance cannot be negative. This equation claims a positive distance is equal to a negative number. That is impossible. So the answer is simply no solution. Always remember, isolate the absolute value first by moving terms and dividing coefficients. Then, check if it equals a negative. Only if it is positive or 0 do you proceed to split and solve. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.